So hello everybody, I'm Ari Partinen, working for Nokia Imaging. Today here in London to give you a short demo about the new Lumia 925 imaging capabilities. So we have pumped up the imaging capabilities quite a lot for the new Nokia 925. What are the hardware differences from previous is that we have actually introduced completely new optical design. The new optical design is really impressive. It consists of 6 lenses to improve the sharpness, daylight and low light. And even more impressive it is because the whole new 6 lens design is completely suspended by the optical image stabilization. So we are actually again moving the whole lens stack to compensate for any handshake in the image. On the software side, the big improvement is for the low light. So maybe the most visible and obvious improvement is that we have pumped up the ISO range quite significantly. So previously the ISO went from 100 to 800, but now it goes all the way up to 3200. That gives, of course, 4 times more light in low light situations, giving significantly better brightness in the low light. Also on the software side, we have been really busy. So we have improved the noise filtering, the color rendering, the sharpening. So the whole software stack has got really good improvements since, for example, the 928. Also really nice, cool new feature is what we call the Nokia Smart Camera. For that we have a demo here with the skateboarding guys. So the Nokia Smart Camera, you can always start it from the native camera application. And what the Nokia Smart Camera does is that it captures 10 frames and stacks those together. Alright, so a lot of movement there. We can open that and open that in a Smart Camera. So in a Smart Camera we can now edit that 10 image frame stack as we wish. So what it first suggests is the best shot. So it automatically calculates and tries to estimate what is the best shot out of those 10. And that's what it provides me. It's a nice, good colors, sharp image. Another option is the action shot. So with the action shot, it allows me to stack together multiple images with the same background, much like in the skateboarding magazines or snowboarding magazines. It's very, very cool. Motion focus, that is something also completely new, something truly unique for the Nokia devices.
I think that's my favorite.
I like this also. And cool thing is that I can select my hero frame, maybe there, guys nicely in the center, and we have the motion blur there.
Yeah.
So it's cool. And this type of pictures are really difficult to create if you don't get the help from the software. Because otherwise you have to follow the movement very closely, very carefully, and try to get the background blur. But with this one it's super easy.
Is the aperture different? The lens?
The aperture is the same. Aperture is 2.0, so it's very wide angle, good low light optics. Field of view is 28 or 27 to 28 millimeter, depending which aspect ratio you are using. So it is a 2.0 lens with a very wide field of view.